Hi everyone, my name is Destiny Ribernell and this is my presentation for the Intelligent Book Recommendation and Rating Prediction System. So my motivation for this project was just my own experience as being an avid reader. This year I've read about 50 books and I've really struggled to find new books that I would like. A lot of the popular book recommendation websites out there such as Goodreads and Amazon rely on trending books or books that have high averages. And I found that a lot of these books don't really align with what I like, and so I wanted to create something that would tell me if I would like a book or not. So the project pipeline consists of data collection, data cleaning, text processing, and then the rating prediction pipeline. So to prepare the data, I collected 120 of my previously read books from Goodreads that consisted of the ISBN, author title, and then my own personal rating. And then I queried the ISBNdb API to collect each of the book's synopsis and subjects to get more details about each book. And then I performed cleaning and processing using normalization and tokenization. And then I combined each of the fields to get a comprehensive representation of each book. Then I applied natural language processing and machine learning techniques. For natural language processing, I used TF-IDF vectorization to convert each book description into numerical features. And then for machine learning, I used a supervised linear regression model that was trained on a 95-5 training test split to learn patterns between the book features and my actual personal ratings. And then to use the model, I input an ISBN of a book that I'm interested in reading, and then the code will query the ISBNdb API to gather all of the information about each book, and then it will return that data, and the model will complete natural language processing and machine learning again to see what it thinks I would rate that book. So the results show that the model wasn't really far off with its predictions. So the test set had about a half a star off for ratings, and then for MSE and RMSE, the scores were about a point off, which isn't too bad. And then for R squared, the test set was just too small, so we couldn't really use this value to measure how the model behaved. So overall, we found that the system learned meaningful patterns and that a larger and more varied data set would really strengthen the prediction accuracy. And then we also found that ISBNdb information really filled in missing fields and really created a better feature set, and it improved the data just with more details. Thank you so much.